Hey, Sedge, why you got that all folded up like that? Can you just use it like this?
Yeah, you can.
Okay.
Okay, but what I was taught early on is people have all kinds of ways of folding it. Sometimes this is a little bit bulky for me. But the one thing you need to do is, see, as I wear this grit out, think of sandpaper. The little grits that are on there are little blades. They're abrading the material. So I've seen people do this. They'll take paper and they'll fold it all kinds of ways. And what happens is, if you put grit to grit as you're sanding, you're breaking down grit you don't need to. So when I need to freshen this, see how it's folded like this? Look, I can fold it in and continue sanding with a new grit, just like this. See?
And then you just avoid
And I avoid touching grit to grit, because look, it's all paper to paper to paper to get new grit. And then I can come over here and get new grit. So let me show you how to fold it. And you don't have to be a rocket scientist to do this. And it doesn't have to be perfect. So you take it like this. Come on, you grab a piece, okay? And it's basically a third, third, and a third. So I fold it in like this, and then I fold it like this. And I call these little sanding folded packets like this. And I'll fold a few of these up with each grit, have them ready to go.
Okay.
But you always want to refresh it.
And never do abrasive to abrasive.
No, try to stay away from it.
Okay.
Okay?
So you can. Oh, cool.
Cool.
Well, there you go. That's awesome.
Here you go.